Hello, this is Ty Wilson. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney practicing law in the state of Georgia. And our video topic for today is terminating your workers' compensation lawyer. First of all, I would advise against it before you consider doing that. I would talk to you about a couple of things. You need to, first of all, make sure that it is truly your attorney who is the issue with the claim. There are a lot of delays and denials that happen with the employer and the insurer. You've hired your attorney to help you facilitate or to walk you through that minefield. And so, what's important is that you reach out to your attorney, you speak with your attorney, schedule a conference call with them, or if need be, you need to go by and schedule a meeting. Don't just show up. Let's schedule a meeting to sit down with them, discuss your claim, discuss where your claim is at and where your claim is going, and listen to what's happening so that you understand the process. It's very likely that your attorney has done nothing to cause the delay. And in fact, it could be a delay from the other side. And it's in their best interest to delay, deny. That's their typical response from the employer insurer side of things. Not in all cases, but in some cases. And so you want to make sure that before you sit there and terminate an attorney who actually filed a hearing and had discovery and all these different things going to help you get what you need for your workers' compensation claim, that in fact they are moving things in the right direction. You want to make sure you're on the same page. It's about communicating. If you can't communicate with your attorney, once again, I would try to secure and lock down a conference call. During COVID, a lot of offices are closed. A lot of people aren't even at the offices. However, if required, and I would avoid this if at all possible, but if required, schedule an appointment to go in and see your attorney and speak with them. Now, that being said, it shouldn't be something that you need to do every week to find out what's going on with your claim. Some claims move slow, and as long as the process is explained to you, you need to realize that some of this is time consuming. But when you file for discovery, there's deadlines, but those deadlines can be a month from the time that you file that. And so there are certain deadlines in place and rules. Speak with your attorney, get an updated status, make sure you're on the same page. If you have specific questions, get them all together, ask them in one setting, and then upon the responses of the attorney, determine if in fact you want the attorney to continue on with your case. Second, if you terminate your attorney, they have the right in Georgia to file what's called a lien for the time that they put in on the file up until the time that you terminated them. And so when you obtain a new attorney, they will be dealing with your old attorney regarding the lien. If you fire several attorneys, now you're looking at a situation where it's going to be much harder to actually find an attorney to take on your claim when you've got two or three liens on the file. That means you're now seeking an attorney who is looking at not making the full fee because they're going to have to split it and to sometimes argue with these other attorneys based upon the time and effort that they put in on the file. And so, once again, if you have an attorney that is representing you, it is always best to stay with that attorney if you can and to do everything you can to try to work out and get the communication that you need and that you're comfortable with to keep going to see your claim to its conclusion. We hope that you found this information helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.